Now question number 2. In question number 2 it is asked choose the correct options. Okay, this is first bit. The question is given 2 tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. We have to find out its correct answer. There are 4 options it is given: A sin 60, B cos 60, C tan 60, D sin 30. Okay, without solving we won't able to tell the correct value. So we will solve the question first, then we will find out the correct option. Okay, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, 2 ones are 2 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3 3. Okay, multiply this 3 here, 2 by root 3, 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 divided by root 3, 2 divided by root 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. We will write it 2 by root 3 into this one will be reversed 3 by 4. Okay, cancel, 2 we will get in the numerator 3, 2 into 3 is 2 root 3. Okay, now rationalize root 3 by root 3, 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3, 2 root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 cancels. So finally we got root 3 by 2. Okay, now I will just write few values here and you will able to see that which one is the correct option. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, tan 60 is root 3 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Our last value we got root 3 by 2. That means option A is correct because these two are same. Sin 60 degree is the correct option. Okay, now second bit. In second bit it is given 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Options are A tan 90, B 1, C sin 45 and D 0. Okay, so I have written the question. Now we will solve. 1 minus tan square 45, tan 45 is 1 square by 1 plus 1 square, 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is already we have discussed, that is 0. So which value is correct? Option D is correct, that is 0. Okay, now question number 3 bit. In third bit it is asked sin 2a equals to 2 sin a is true when a equals to question mark. We have to tell the proper value in place of a, okay, which will satisfy this equation. A can be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree. So I will write the question. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a. We have to tell the correct value of a, which degree will satisfy this equation. Okay, which degree will satisfy this equation, that will be the value of a. So first of all I will write 0, sin 0, 2 sin 0, that is let a equals to 0 degree I am taking. So sin 2 zeros are 0, 2 sin 0 degree, sin 0 is 0 and 2 into sin 0 is 0, 2 zeros are 0, both the zeros are equal. Okay, that means a equals to 0 satisfy this condition. We will check one more value whether it is satisfying or not, so that we will be confirmed. Now second value, let a equals to 30 degree I am taking. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a, sin 2 into 30 degree equals to 2 sin 30 degree, sin 2 into 30 is 60 degree, 2 sin 30 degree, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, 2 sin 30 degree, 30 degree is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 is 1. Is it equal? No, that means a equals to 30 degree is not satisfying this condition. So we can conclude here that if I will substitute in place of a 45 degree, so this will become 2 into 45, 90 degree. Okay, and here if I will write 45, this will become sin 45 degree. Sin 90 degree is 1, Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So 1 is equals to 1 by root 2. Can we say? No. This also does not satisfy the condition. Similarly, if I will substitute 60 here, 2 into 60, 120 degree. We don't have the value of 120 degree. So this also it will not satisfy. That means only the 0 degree this equation is satisfying. When we are taking a equals to 0 and substituting here, it is satisfying the condition, that is LHS equals to RHS. So our correct answer is A, 0 degree. Fourth bit. In fourth bit it is given 2 tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree equals to question mark. We have to find out the correct answer. Options are cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30. Okay, so we will write the question. We will substitute the proper values here. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, so its value will be 2 into 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 multiply 3 here, 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, 2 by root 3, 2 by 3, 2 by root 3 into this denominator will be reverse, reciprocal 3 by 2. Cancel it, 3 by root 3. Now we can rationalize, as both are 3, so we can rationalize. If the values will be different, no need of rationalizing anything, the answer will be that much. Okay, 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3, root 3 is 3, 3 cancel out. So what is the value? Root 3. Which option it satisfies? 4 options are given. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, tan 60 is root 3 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it satisfied the third value, third option, that is tan 60. Its value is root 3. In question number 3 it is asked, if tan a plus b equals to root 3 and tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3, then 0 degree is less than a plus b and less than equals to 90 degree. Okay, this is a statement. This says that if we will add a plus b, whatever value we are getting, it must be greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Suppose a plus b we will get 50 degree. Okay, so it is greater than 0, correct, and it is less than equals to 90 degree. Suppose a plus b I will get 70 degree. It is also less than 0 degree, greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So like this is the statement, a plus b is greater than 0 but it must be equal or less than 90 degree. Where a is greater than b, whatever value we will get after solving, a must be greater than b. Okay, then only it will satisfy the condition. Find the value of a and b. So I am writing the value tan a plus b equals to root 3 and tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, tan a plus b. In these type of questions, what you have to do, there is no degree it is given in question. So what we will do, we will try to write both the side with the same ratio tan. Okay, we will try to write both the sides with the same ratio tan. Okay, so in tan trigonometric table with ratio tan, root 3 is given in tan 60 degree. Okay, root 3 is given in tan 60 degree. So both the side we got same ratios. Now similarly here, tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3 is again it is given in tan table, that is tan 30 degrees. So again both the side we got tan will be removed. What we will get? A plus b equals to 60 degree, equation 1. Similarly this both the side tan will be removed, a minus b will equals to 30 degree. Okay, now linear equation in two variable, two equations we are having. We will add both the equations. It is having both different signs in the second term, so b will be cancelled out. A plus a, 2a equals to 90 degree. Divide a here, 90 degree by 2, a equals to 45 degree. Okay, similarly Again we will substitute value of 45 in any of the equation. A plus b equals to 60. Okay, a is 45 we got, plus b equals to 60 degree. Take 45 that side, b equals to 60 degree minus 45, b equals to 15 degree. So a we got 45, b we got 15 degree. If we will add these two, 45 plus 15 is 60 degree, which is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. And this value also it satisfies that a is greater than b. Now question number 4. In question number 4 it is asked state true or false. Okay, we have to say by checking the conditions statements, we have to tell whether it is true or false. Okay, in the first statement it is asked sin a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b. Okay, we have to substitute some values and we have to check whether LHS equals to RHS or not. So I have taken a equals to 30 degree and b equals to 60 degree. So sin a plus b, 30 plus 60, and sin a, that is sin 30 plus sin 60, as I have written. Sin 30 plus 60 is sin 90, sin 30 plus sin 60. Okay, sin 90's value is 1, sin 30's value is 1 by 2, sin 60's value root 3 by 2. LCM is 2, 1 plus root 3. We can't add these two value, and this side I got 1. 1 is not equals to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So this statement is false. For any value of a and b, you try by taking any value of a and b and substitute here. You won't able to equalize LHS equals to RHS. That's why this statement is false. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2, it is asked the value of sin theta increases, whether the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Okay, where it will increase? We have just studied trigonometric table. In trigonometric table we have studied sin 0 degree equals to 0. Okay, sin 30 equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2's value is 0.5, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is 0.707. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is 0.866, and sin 90 is 1. So what can you able to see here? First value was 0, second value 0.5, third value 0.7, it is greater than this. Fourth value is 0.8, it is greater than this. Fifth value is 1, that means sin theta increases when theta increases in the table. Okay, when we go from left to right, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, the value of sin theta increases. So this statement is true. Okay, now third bit. In third bit it is asked the value of cos theta increases when theta increases. Okay, whether the value of cos theta increases when theta is increasing. Okay, we will check. Cos 0 is, but you know that this is false because cos in trigonometric table cos value is reverse of this. Reverse of this means it is decreasing, not increasing. Okay, still cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, it is 0.866, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, that is 0.707. So obviously you can able to see 1, 0.8, 0.7, it is decreasing. So the value of cos theta is not increasing, it is decreasing when the theta is increasing. So the statement is false. Okay, now question number 4. In question number 4 it is asked sin theta equals to cos theta for all values of theta. Okay, whatever value of theta we will substitute, whether the value of sin theta and cos theta will be equal or not. Okay, it is true only for theta equals to 45 degree. When theta equals to 45 degree, this statement is true. Okay, because sin 45 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. But if we will take some other values like sin 30 degree equals to cos 30 degree, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, these are not equal. Are you getting? That means only for 45 degree it is true, but for all the values it is false. That means this statement is false. Okay, now last bit. Cot A is not defined for A equals to 0. Okay, we have to check whether cot A is not defined from the trigonometric table when A equals to 0. Okay, cot A equals to cos A by sin A. Its formula is there. Cot A equals to cos A by sin A. Cos 0 by sin 0. How we got? Because we have to check with A equals to 0. In place of A, I wrote 0 degrees. Cos 0 is 1. Divided by 0, 1 divided by 0 is not defined, infinite. so not defined, so this value is true. Okay, so by this we have finished our exercise 8.2. I hope you might have understood all the questions, all the bits whatever I have explained, and the trigonometric table. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you have understood everything. If any queries are there, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you all of you.